Are you a superstitious person? Because I certainly am. And in a lot of the countries that I visited around the world, I have noticed similar types of superstition play out. I may not necessarily know what those superstitions are, but I do know that they are influencing things. So here in the UK, for example, don't voice and signs of emotion. And we need to marry that up with a sense of curiosity. So we must try always to get to the deeper meaning of what is being said to us and never make any assumptions about anything and remain open to understanding. If we can remain open to understanding, then we can create that safe space in which we can still nurture connection despite all of this going on in the background.